You're going to look Jimin Sao.
Hundreds of protesters rallied in Shillong today, organized by the All Meghalaya Citizen Conscious Forum, to condemn the recent atrocities against minorities in Bangladesh. The protest, which started in Mauba Point and ended in Rhino Point, saw participants chanting slogans like Bharat Mata Ki Jai to show solidarity with the victims. Raju Paul, convener of the forum, announced that a memorandum would be submitted to the Bangladesh's interim Prime Minister through the DC East Khasi Hills, demanding an end to violence, condemning the inhuman acts against minorities.
Since the change of regime which has taken place in August in Bangladesh, we have seen many brutal violence taking place against the minorities, which includes our tribal brothers who are there, which includes our Christian brothers, which includes our Hindu brothers, and also the Buddhist communities who are there. And they are facing a brutal violence by the extremists. So this is a mark of protest from our end. We are standing with the minorities in the Bangladesh, and we are standing against the violence which is taking place in Bangladesh.
Today, the Women's Fellowship